Back today working on the XJ again. Got the KSP Automotive wheel spacers, 2-inch for the 5x4.5. We're gonna get these things unboxed and see what we've got. Actually packaged up very nice where they're not rolling around. Looks like 2 per box for the whole set of 4. So let's get these open and we'll take a better look. To be honest, never been a huge fan of spacers, but as of right now, with part of the build that I'm at, rims aren't in the picture currently, so I decided to give these a try. Very, very solid, good looking quality. They are the Ford 6061 aircraft aluminum, so they're actually fairly light. Comes with the already the stud lockers on it, so all you gotta do is put your lock nuts on it. I'm gonna grab Jack, take these wheels and tires off and see how she looks. So on these spacers too, they are a true 2-inch, if not a little over 2-inch. Here's some spacers I had off of a previous TJ, which is the same bolt pattern, and they're actually listed as 1.5 inches, and they're basically about 1.25 inches. So these guys are going to make a huge difference right here on the hub. So don't judge me on my drums not being painted. I've got a auto locker coming, so I got to pull the gears and stuff out. Once I do that, then I'll go through and re-undercoat everything on this project Jeep. So on these, I'm extremely impressed with the construction, the look, the feel. They look really solid, but yet with it being the billet aluminum, they're very, very light. So hopefully they're gonna hold up for me. One thing I wanted to tell you is don't get confused. When this comes to you, you get these lugs put on these studs. That's basically just a place keeper for them. So you'll need to take those off, and then once you put it on the vehicle, the lugs that they provided are what actually attach the spacer to the drum. And then you will reutilize your existing lugs to hold the tire to the spacer. So, extremely beefy. I'm really excited to see how this is gonna look, and also put them through hell and see how they hold up. So, let me get it together and we'll get some footage for you. So a couple things. Obviously this is a work in progress. The whole process on these spacers took me literally 30 minutes. As you can see how far out that 2 inches makes on these. There is a little bit of back spacing on the rims, but not near enough. The only 2 things that I can say, one of them being negative, is these are way too nice, way too pretty to have been hidden and let alone put on my Jeep for what I'm going to use it for. The other factor is nothing went wrong, and anybody that works on Jeeps knows you always have issues, and there hasn't been any. So I highly recommend this product. You can get it on Amazon, eBay. I'll post the link on this page. And super nice product. I'll test it out. Everything went on fine, smooth, easy. Threads matched up, no issues. A couple things I didn't point out is, with anything mechanical, make sure you put some thread locker or something on the spacers so they don't come off. I didn't do that because I'm going to pull my axles out shortly. And then obviously recheck everything in about 25 to 50 miles, and then again after 1,000 or 2,000 miles, just to make sure it's all good. Stay tuned. You'll see this buried and getting all jacked up in the woods and in the mud, and we'll see how they hold up. Thanks for watching.